Hi there, this is Mabella saying Merry Christmas to you. I'd like to say a few things about the Smashing Math series. It's the end of term, and quite a few of my friends, quite a few of my neighbors have complained again about their maths, the children's maths scores, the performance, the maths anxieties the children suffer, and all of that. And for that reason, I decided to make this series on Smashing Maths. It's my gift to you this season. Learn and appreciate that you can help your child conquer their math anxiety. Don't give up. Don't tell them it's not doable. Don't give them an excuse for failure. It's a beautiful season, it's a joyous season, and it's a time to re-strategize and to start new things. My name is Toyin Oluwajuito. I'm popularly called Mabella. I'm a teacher, I'm an accountant by training, I'm a mother, and I am so particular about helping every child around me become the best that they can be. So I come your way next time. Have a great life. Bye.